Hi guys, good morning. How are you? If you're always watching, walk on, big up your damn self. If you are new to my channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, hold on. Look at the camera quality now. Does it even look different? I don't know. If you're new to my channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, please to go ahead and subscribe. Giving you that time. Thank you so much if you hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so today I am getting ready to go out on the road. I am going to treat myself to a nice like a self-care brunch. I am doing this for myself and you guys. I think that I haven't posted like a video in about 3 weeks. That is kind of give people different vibe from out of the corners of my house. You understand? Just the regular Ocho Rios, me out of door Ocho, and no me always there Ocho because I practically Ocho me live. So I'm actually going to Ocho now to do my little self-care brunch, but it's not that I'm going to be showing you guys Ocho out of door supermarket on the road, this car taxi. No, I am going to make this vlog as nice, as special, as unique, as exciting as possible. So yeah.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
So let's jump right into this video. So alright, I'm gonna clean my face because I took a shower in my towel. So yeah, just in case you thought I was naked, I'm not naked. So my ear one do my not tell a lot, the exercising with the hair make my ear frowsy, make my ear look bushy, make my ear upper part look bad. But your girl is gonna try and fix it as best as possible to go out. So I got this, which is here, and no one then your girl use liquor which is upon her face. The kind of clean up the skin. This light, you know, clean up the skin, make the skin kind of look glowy a little bit and shiny. So I got the witch hazel here, and I'm just going to wipe my skin.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
So I got that all done. I'm gonna make it kind of, you know, seep into my skin a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to find the little stuff them for my face, because I'm gonna do a little makeup first. Since me do the hair, yeah, I gotta do makeup, and I have to do the makeup in order to make the hair not look too bad, too bad. So the next flip, you guys will be seeing me doing my makeup. Alright guys, so with the makeup, this is where I am at right now. So I did my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and some wigs. I hardly do wear wigs, honestly, but this morning I felt like, you know what, I am gonna do some wings. So I'm gonna do some wings. All right, so I'm gonna do my foundation now. I like contour. I'm not doing a video while I'm doing it because I have to charge my phone so that it can last for when I get to wherever I'm going. So yeah, I'll come back probably when I'm finished. Yeah. Hi guys, so I am leaving home to go. Well, it was supposed to be a me treat. No, baby's coming, so it's a me and babe treat type of thing. So that's what's up for today. And yeah. Alright, Alright guys, so we're leaving the place that we went to and we're just walking around to Margaritaville side just to sit down, look out, relax until our ride comes. He is currently in Monique and we just have to wait on him. So that's what's up, that's what's popping. Alex and Annie, I saw a girl told me about this jewelry stuff. Yeah, and I saw it here now, so I'm looking at it. Yeah, so that's what's popping. Babe brown and stuff, and yeah, so I feel so good. That might be just be a thumbnail. Alright guys, so I don't know what to tell you, but I guess if I say something, I make her know. Alright? So go big up on yourself. Where we're at though, you are able to see a nice, cute sign that says Ocho, Rios. Could have bigger though. Could have bigger. Look like a bingy wingy sign the government are investing. Huh? One big old sign when people that come in, so one big old sign say Ocho Rios, don't it? Look at this. So bad. Alright guys, taking back my word, I see a lot of things on it, like some different sponsors. So if I said the government and it's not them, but take it back. We're walking. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is like the map wherever we're going. Welcome to Island Village. This is a map of Island Village. It gives you basically like an outline of everything, where to find the different places, the different shops. So, you know, all of those other stuff. Yep, jewelry and duty free, restaurant and bar, entertainment. This would have been the movie theater, but it's all closed now because of COVID and all of that. And they have the rules over here. The entry is looking like this. So if you have never been to Margaritaville, then you guys will know. Baby's movie going on now. I just said there's no movie. Babe, are they doing movies now? Alright guys, so I don't want to give you guys any wrong information and you say it was me. So they're not doing movies right now, but they said they'll be opening their doors by the end of the month. So there's a number that they gave us that if you want, you can call or WhatsApp the number to find out the rest of the information. Seems like they're doing movies. I was lying. Hi guys, so different you know, places that's chocker with all they're having and all of that stuff. Different stores, I guess because of, I don't know if it's because of COVID, a lot of the places are closed down. So you know, you don't get to see a lot because of, I think, look at this place. This place is also empty as well. There's nothing inside, is there? There's nothing inside. This place is closed down. Oh my god. Reggae yard. Outside view. Where are you going, babe? Rasta Taco. So I guess this is like a restaurant, but this one is closed as well because COVID. See, this place is closed as well. Look, nothing not going. We have to blame COVID, you know, cause COVID mash up the whole place. The whole place. Alright, I came to this restaurant for once known person who was a friend, not a friend anymore. We celebrated our birthday around here. You guys, if you are a day one subscriber, you'd have remember that when we celebrated the birthday around here. And the view nice over there, babe. You wanna go over there? Are you alright right here? You walk here and then you go around there. Yeah, so this is basically just a tour of Margaritaville in Ocho. A lot of stage shows when I was growing up not since I'm an adult. Not since I am an adult. Not a lot of stage shows hosting here. Well, COVID has been here for like almost 2 years, not true? So probably since 2 year time I see him older, so not really sure what's going on, but that's what's up for here. Like I said before, the view, the closer you get, the view is nicer. So not the first I am seeing here, but yep, around here they have a lot of shops. As you all can see, they're closed. They are closed. So that's over where we're coming from, and the view, this is so nice. Oh my god, oh my god, this is so nice. And they have fishes in the water. And this is the other side where you guys can see like the fountain. Is it what in pond the fountain, babe? I don't know, but you realize how they came about the sprinkle? It's like it's a cock on them. That's all. And them just have it sprinkling out. So yeah. Babe just said he wish he could have been a fish for how long? An hour. 8 hour. Why didn't I always say an hour? And it's not an hour. It's an hour. Oh, it's an and it's H. Alright, so come on, take off your mask. Take off your mask. You may say mask. Mask. We don't want the mask in the video. Yes, may I mask over there? No. Come, look. Baby can't smile for saving your life. No matter to smile and he not even smile. Not even smile. Alright.
Bigger fish in water for them.
Hmm?
Bigger fish in water for them.
Yeah, I see them. Next time we think could be a fish. You think I only fish alone? Babe, what are those things called? That over there. Is that a duck?
Oh.
See there.
I see a girl in that.
A girl in here?
And look where you ask if a duck. Really?
I don't remember how duck look again. How duck look? Oh, duck look, but duck not look different from me by far.
Of course. The duck I see so one big one there too.
Where? Oh, look at that fish, guys. See him there right here, though? See him there? Wow. The water is supposed to cool in that river?
What do you mean?
My god. This water is supposed to be very cool right now. Oh no, you want him around? What? Where?
See me?
Oh, see him there. So one big fish there. Yeah. You think, what do you think they do with the fishes here? Just for like entertainment?
Yeah, they're not trouble them. And see I want goldfish, so one that big one they hold this too. Underneath this one. And so
in big enough? Big one. Look at those fishes. Look.
Over there so then if you look.
Yeah, look, you can swim there. You can't even see him. But it look bigger than the one right here, yeah. Hi guys, so I want to end out the video from wow that wow. I want to end out the video before that because I'm doing 2 different vlogs, okay? Alright, so guys, my review from Dave, Lobster Dave restaurant. Babe, let's give them a good. The food was hot. That was good, right? The food was hot.
Hot as in H-O-T, as in, you know, going to get cold food.
Yeah. I could have wished it hot today.
No, you can't. You know, people talk and you say.
Oh, the food hot. The food lighter. No, what about hot in terms of temperature? So the food was hot. Because the food was hot, we had to wait a little time. So yeah. So because the food was hot, we had to wait a little time. Which means that is when you put in the order, they look about it. What else was good, babe? It was okay. A little, yeah. Only bad thing, it's not bad, but only little thing down on the downside was that babe? Huh?
Fly.
Oh, there was a lot of flies, and I guess because they're doing the fishes like downstairs under the building, there was a lot of flies, and it was super raw. Babe, take off the box from the block. It was so raw that you know, kind of did a yeah. One other thing too was they don't inform you about like, okay, we put in an order for fish, and then them come and show you, and only them big fish of them have like so they would have prepared the fish, and when the fish prepare and come out at the time they would have like tell us say the fish that cost $1,001,000. Yeah, so the girl came after and said, oh, them big fish alone them fine, but well, they kind of went ahead and said they find a little fish, and the fish that they found that they would have given it for the same price. Yeah, make it look out. Yeah, true. So that was.
I don't see no fish that I said it could have been for more than 1,500. That could have been for more than 1,500.
Yeah, so.
Fish, you go for us, that's so good.
Huh? The size.
You go for us, that's so good.
Yeah, but it was good. It was good. I enjoyed my little, you know, lunch date with Boo. So that's gonna be it for the video. If you haven't subscribed, please like the video, subscribe to this channel, tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Dominique Awesomeness channel. Yes, people, keep watching, and until another video or another vlog, I'll see you. Bye bye. I was just telling babe that this place machine done, so let's go. Yeah, this place got hit hard by COVID. Where's my mask? Is it in your pocket? My pocket? Yeah, my mask. Super dirty, right? This place got hit hard by COVID, and it is evident based on how it's looking. The place locked down. A lot of places over here locked down, people. Alright, guys. So this is the Margarita restaurant. We're not going around that side. We're just passing.
So people in my,
huh?
See no color there.
What? Where's the color?
People in on a straight.
Alright, this restaurant is a breakfast restaurant. I was looking on it on the internet, and today I was looking at it. This, I don't know what is this. Tough Guff Can. Get gym? No. It's a souvenir place. This is roly poly around here. You know the ice cream place, babe? But then ship up your ice cream and roll up here.
Shake you.
No. So guys, so this over there, that's Margaritaville section. They have people having the fun time of their life. Different jewelry places here, and we're just going to the machine down here. Down there have Starbucks and other stuff down there. Not going down that side today. Hey guys, good morning. Alright, so I'm just coming here to end out the video. I hope you guys are Gucci. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope to see you guys in another vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, today babe make a little right platinum porridge. I'm showing them before I end out the vlog. Said he heard them talking about right platinum porridge on the radio on his way to work, and then he decided to make it. Well, it's actually his first time, so he decided to try it out. So we made it, and not my favorite, but it can go on. Yeah, I'd really probably say green plantains kind of give porridge more a better taste than ripe plantains. Yeah, whenever they plant them or what, but you know, so nice to me. But that's where I'm going to end out this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. If you did all of those, thank you so much. If you didn't and you're just watching, same way, big up on yourself, because I know I have a lot of silent watchers here. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.